Start the first course with a TimberSteel XL field accessory at the bottom left corner of the roof where the eave and rake or wall flashing intersect. At hips and valleys, cut the shingle to match the angle. Cut back the bottom hem of the first shingle where it overlaps the flashing to ensure proper water shedding. Lock the bottom edge of the first course of field shingles onto the TimberSteel eave drip edge flashing. Leave a 1/4 inch gap between the field shingles and the rake, wall, or valley to allow for expansion and contraction. At the hip, begin the course within 2 inches of the hip. Secure the TimberSteel XL field accessory to the deck with 6 nails per shingle. The far left nail must be driven through the butyl tape strip along any rake, wall, or valley flashing. Continue installing standard field shingles across the roof plane. Interlock field shingles left to right by hooking the left side of the bottom hem of the shingle over the right side lap, pushing the shingle as far left as possible before laying it into place. Start the subsequent course of shingles with a TimberSteel standard field shingle. Standard field shingles are secured to the deck with 4 nails per shingle, ensuring the offset from the previous course is at least 6 inches apart on hips and valleys. Continue installing field shingles across the roof plane, alternating the starting shingle of subsequent courses between TimberSteel XL field accessories and standard TimberSteel field shingles.